Now class third C. Class third C. Subject GSC. And today we are studying lesson 11, light and sound. Lesson 11, light and sound. In this lesson we have studied about the light and studying about the sound. In sound, I told you what is sound, how is sound made, and sound can travel through air, water, and solid things. Sound needs a medium to travel. Sound travels through air. One activity I told you last time. Second activity, sound can travel through water. Also, I told this activity. Next activity, sound can travel through solid things. So, for the movement of the sound, the medium is necessary. That may be solid, liquid, or gas. So, in activity, sound can travel through solid things. One activity is there, you need two paper cups and a string. You need two paper cups. Activity, what is activity? Sound can travel through solid things. So, through solid things. And what you needed? Requirements or what thing you needed? Two paper cups and a string. Two paper cups and a string. Paper cups and string needed for this activity. So what you have to do after taking these things? Now punch a hole in the middle of the bottom of each cup. Suppose this is the cup. Suppose this is a cup. Suppose this is a cup. And you have to make a hole here. In the bottom, you have to make a hole. This is paper cup. When this paper cup, you make a hole here at the bottom. Tie the end of a string inside the hole of one cup and the other inside the second cup. So tie the end of a string inside the hole of one cup and the other end inside the second cup. So one cup you take this side and another cup. Two cups are needed. So another string. Hole here and take the string. One end make and another end here. This is string and both are the cups. Give one cup to your friend and you take the other. Stretch out the string between the cups and tuck into your cup. Your friend will be able to hear your voice in the other cup. So this activity, this cup, you have, after making this cup, you give one cup to your friend and you arrange this cup in a such way as this is your the mouth and other side is the ear of your friend, and in the mouth toward the one cup keep towards your mouth and try to speak something. This is string and other cup. In this way, this mouth of this cup must be toward the ear of your the friend. So in this way, this is string and this is the mouth of the cup. So here you speak something, so this sound will reach here. You speak in one cup and this sound will travel via this throat and reach to the ear of your deep friend. In this way, we can say that sound can travel through the solid. This is the solid. So by this experiment, we can say that sound can travel through solid things. Now, sounds are different. Sounds are different. Sounds are different. After this activity, sounds are different. Sounds are different. Some sounds are soft while some are loud. Some sounds are soft while some are loud. Some sounds are pleasant and some sounds are unpleasant. So sounds are different. We are studying here. Some sounds are the soft, some are loud, some sounds are pleasant, and some sounds are unpleasant. One is the one diagram. You see in this diagram. First diagram, whispering, that is very soft sound. Another diagram, sound of the loudspeaker. Sound of the loudspeaker, that is very loud sound. That is why name given as the loudspeaker. And chirping of birds, it is a pleasant sound. It is a very pleasant sound. And sound from aircraft, this is unpleasant sound. So for sometimes one sound may be pleasant sound, while other sound on the other sound, same sound may be unpleasant. Suppose in night, in the music party is there. Those who are participating, it is the pleasant noise for them. While on the other hand, some are the patient, and in some peoples it causes obstacles. So these are the unpleasant for them. Now next one, the noise. Noise is loud, unpleasant and unexpected sound. So noise is loud, unpleasant and unexpected sound. It disturbs the environment. Too much noise is not good for our health. People living amidst noise continuously may be mentally affected. Too much noise makes a person deaf temporarily or permanently. Children should not make noise in the class. They should learn to speak softly. Always watch television or listen to music on a low volume, so that others may not be disturbed. So that's for today. Thank you.